It's very important to size the JoJo tank correctly if you are looking to go for a system based around a tank. A good indication is a typical house of 5 would use about 1,000 litres a day, and you want at least about a day's backup. Another thing to look at is a normal shower would run at about 700 litres now. So have a look at your family and decide how much water you would actually use. If you have someone in the house that normally showers for more than an hour a day, you're probably going to need to have a slightly larger tank. The next thing is, are you looking to use chlorine dosing? If you're looking to use chlorine dosing, then you need to increase the size of the tank, because you basically want a day's extra capacity in the tank to give the chlorine enough contact time to work. Next thing is, are you looking to add rainwater harvesting? Because then ideally you only want to use about 25% of the tank normally and keep about 75% for a backup with the rainwater. So let's assume you have chlorine dosing in place with your normal water, and you want to add rainwater, and your normal family only use about 1,000 litres a day. Then you would go all the way up to a 10,000 litre tank to get to the same basic situation. The nice thing with these kind of tanks is you don't necessarily have to have it in one tank. You can see what will fit the best, but you could have 4 2,500 litre tanks all linked together functioning as one tank, and that it would also be an option for this situation. Ideally, one tank is easier, especially if you want to use something like an in-tank UV light, as that makes the whole installation much simpler and saves a lot on the costs.